don't really appreciate the ride because we're so busy chasing success.
See how big it is? That's the great secret.
And actually need to just slow down and actually appreciate what God puts in front of us. Every day, wherever you go, you will find some miracles, some small animals, some small birds, some small reptiles. It's actually going about their business without a plum, but all of them are miracles. Because to create life, you need to be God. And we as humans will never be able to create that because we're not God. Therefore, it's amazing to just float along the river on a boat and just enjoying life, just relaxing. Just stepping aside from the rat race, stepping aside from the chase for money, for success. You actually need to just enjoy life. You owe it to yourself, you owe it to your family, and you owe it to God, because we tend to not spend enough time with Him. He's made all of this for us possible. My question to you is, can you create this? Can you create this and make it happen every day of every year, every century? And if you're honest to yourself, the answer would be no. God has created unreal things, like you get a place like the Okavango Delta in the middle of deserts, where you suddenly see elephants stepping next to you in a boat, only their head above the water. You see nature at its most beautiful, and it tends to continue without any wars. It continues every day of your life, and often we tend to miss it because we sit in our cyber cities. Shouldn't you consider stepping out a little bit more and starting to enjoy life? Just appreciate what God's put next to you. Even if you drive in the mornings, wherever you go, just notice all the birds around you. Most cities in South Africa these days, there is more birds there than it was there 20, 30 years ago. A lot of birds that was never seen in that region because of the fact that birds also migrate over time due to climate change. Just enjoy the view, just enjoy the drive on your little boat of life and just relax. Just relax. Let God take over. Let God take over.